So, Mr. Bird, I understand that you were extremely busy this weekend, trying to put as much smut out there as you possibly could about PARTAY. You know, it's actually really sad for me to see a man of your advanced years try so hard with no luck to knock the king off the hill. I mean, it's really sad. It's truly sad to watch you try so hard, hours and hours of bad breath that you put out there, to bear no fruit. See, the people who are going to deal with me are never going to deal with you. They know what I know. One, you sound like a street hustler selling knockoff watches and purses. You don't know your trade. You don't know what you're talking about. Everything you have to say about anyone out there is all nasty. You're an asshole. You come off as one. And people don't want to deal with somebody that they know going in. When you do to your customers what you've done to, like, Matthew Candelera, people see that. They're not going to deal with that. See, there's a big secret. The reason that I don't get upset about you is, one, because I'm going to be taking care of you soon enough. You're not going to be able to talk about PARTAY the way that you have been. So you better go ahead and get it all out of your system. But secondly, the big secret that I've learned is that actually the people that are watching you, they're not buying anyway. They're just watching the train wreck. I don't have time for that. I'm here to do business. I'll have a little fun. I heard you were kind of joking around. Heard you even made some sort of statements about me being involved with porn or something. And see, Ken, I can make jokes. For example, Ken, that was our little secret. You shouldn't have been sharing that with people. Now, it is not my fault. See, I was going to bring you in on the ground floor, but it's not my fault that you could not meet minimum size requirements. It's also not my fault that your money shot face just creep people the hell out. So see, I can make jokes too, Ken. Still king of the hill. You're never going to knock me off. So try again and again and again and again. And you're still not going to prevail. Life's not been too good for you lately. It's going to get worse. You can try to put lipstick on a pig and upsell everyone to you've got these big plans and next level. But that next level is never going to come. And all I need to remind people is one picture. See that, Mr. Bird? What exactly are we looking at? What are we supposed to see there? I told you, you mess up. In almost every video you do, you get too busy running that big trap of yours. But what is it that people are supposed to be seeing here? Where's that 190-degree viewing angle? Because what I see here, 10 out of 10 people that would see this picture would choose that white wall every time. So good luck, Mr. Bird. Try again.